So guys, I have created AI section image with video. So if you don't know how to create this section, it's pretty simple and straightforward. First of all guys, you have to click on the add section, and then also you should to click the generate. Okay, once you've done that, now as you can see, you should describe, like for example, I want to generate blah 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 image with text. Okay, so once you generate, like you should click the enter. Okay, once everything is perfectly, let me tell you what prompt I have given. Okay, so if I come to the AI generated prompt, so look, this is my prompt. I have given a little bit bigger prompt. It's little bit explained, so you can take a screenshot, then you can actually do it by yourself. Okay, so guys, I hope we completely got it how it is done. Okay, and then now I can actually control the edit. I can make the video left, I can make the video right, and then also guys, I can make, I can control the container width. I can control the content width. Okay, I can make it bigger, smaller, and then also particle layout. Okay, top, bottom, alignment. Okay, I can do everything. So as this is the exact thing, so you can definitely do it. Okay, so I hope guys you completely got it how this is done. Okay, so I can edit everything. So you have to tell this thing like I should be able to edit my video, I should be able to control the editing, whatever it is, you should actually explain about that. Okay, on that. Okay, so this is the way to create a section. Okay, let me create another a section. You have to click the a section, click the generate. Now you see you have to explain it over here. Okay, so if there is a couple of template available, so if you want you can explore the template as well. So if you click on over here, now you see it's actually generating the template, but I will stop that. Okay, I don't need that. So guys, I have prepared my prompt. So I have copied my prompt. I will go to this Shopify. After coming into over here, I will paste the prompt, and after that I will like to copy one more prompt. I would like to give one more prompt. This prompt is this one. Okay, so always I actually paste this thing. Okay, so I will paste it into over here, and once that will be done, you should click the generate. And this is pretty simple and straightforward. Now you just need to take a copy and then deep breath, and then you will see your section is ready. And once this section actually will be generated, you have to make sure that you have checked on the mobile version as well. So this is so much crucial. Okay, so if you don't check on mobile version, it's not going to worth it. Okay, so let's make my, okay, so let's try to make my video top. Okay, instead of bottom, I would like to make my video top. So let's see, is there any option? So they did not keep any option. So autoplay, vertical, and alignment top, it's not work on the mobile. So I should go to the mobile editable option. Okay, heading, as you can see, banner size in mobile, primary button, secondary button, but there is no option to make this video into the top. So you have to make sure that you have these sayings, like you should say in the prompt, I will be able to change my video. Okay, so content, video, text above. Okay, so now it's not already content, text above the video. Okay, so I have given that, but it's not working. I'm not sure exactly why. Video position left, right, it will be like based on the desktop. Okay, so let's come to the desktop version. And now as aside, as you can see, this is also generating section. Okay, oh, it's working on over here. It actually works something like that. Okay, and then I can make this video position left, right, whatever I want. Okay, so that's actually good. Okay, so if I go into the, I can edit the text, I can edit this half heading, whatever I want, I can definitely change that. Okay, so it's pretty good. Okay, so now you see our section actually generated. It's really pretty good. That actually build trust of the customer. Okay, so that makes it so now whenever your section will be generated, at this point you should click the mobile version. So once you are satisfied with the mobile, so as you can see in the mobile, it's actually not responsive. Okay, so now I see, is there any option for the mobile responsiveness? Color, I can change the mobile space, mobile top, padding bottom left, padding left. Okay, so spacing top, spacing bottom, layout, horizontal streak, and wrap. Okay, so this is actually good. And then also a streak, if you make it, it will be, and then make it center. It's like mobile edit option, so I would like to make it a wrap, and it will be center, something like it is pretty good. Okay, so it's like editable. Okay, and then also scroll item minutes, 20 seconds. Okay, so it actually also scroll item minutes. Okay, 20 seconds. If I make it very short now, and then also if I make it the horizontal scroll, now it will be scroll. Okay, so I will be able to scroll. That is pretty good. Okay, so the prompt is everything. So if you can write better prompt, you will get better result. Okay, so instead of making like that, I think I should also keep it, let's make it. Okay, so let's select this section. Oh, not this one. You see, if I click this section, now I think I should make it, center mobile layout. So wrap and center. Okay, this one also pretty good, but slider also very good. I will ask to my client which one he like. Okay, so as my client like, I will actually moving forward, because client like doesn't matter. I have to think like, as a customer, which one will be perfect. I will take a screenshot and then I will ask AI, then I will actually do it. Okay, so that's the thing. If like a lot of people actually telling me my client like that, that's why I did that. No, client like, you will never bring a sale. So bring a sale if your layout actually conversational, so that this after that your customer will buy your product. Okay, so that's the thing. So guys, I want to show you my agency website. This is my agency website. This is my portfolio. You can also create the free website in my agency. If you come to my homepage, you can explore. So you can create a homepage free Shopify store using 5 products. So we can create this kind of free website for you. So if you want, you can definitely reach out to me on the WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see, this is our WhatsApp. You can reach out to me. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far. If you want to learn more, message me on WhatsApp or book a call with me. If you have a long vision, if you have any, so you can call me on Messenger or WhatsApp. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.